Hi there, students. Flicker. Either to flicker as a verb or a flicker as a noun. I guess you could have flickering as well as an adjective. Okay, if you talk about a light or a flame that flickers, it burns unsteadily, it burns fitfully. Yeah, it wavers, the brightness fluctuates. It's very strong and then suddenly it's very weak again. Okay, so the candle started to flicker in the wind. As the fire started to burn out, it started to smoke and flicker. Okay, so it's a light that shines sometimes brightly and sometimes weakly, and it's varying between the two. We can then use it more figuratively, meaning to appear for a short time or to make a sudden movement. So a grin flickered across his face. His eyelid flickered. One eyelid flickers. She whips a pistol from her knickers. Um, okay, yeah, he'd been in a coma for several days, and suddenly we saw his eyelids flickering, making short movements. Um, a flicker of recognition came across my mind. Yeah, or a feeling or an expression of an emotion that lasts a very short time. There was a flicker of hope, yeah, that we might still win this competition. Okay, just a little tiny bit. So something quick and rapid. Yeah, I guess the fly flickered about the room, moving here and there. Okay, so a light source flickers, it shines unsteadily, it varies in brightness. Um, During the lightning storm, the lights flickered to make small, quick movements, particularly the eyelids flickering. Yeah. And then, yeah, a tiny movement, a flicker of his eyelid. Okay. So, um, the, huh, the film flickered on the screen. It was an old one, and the brightness was fluctuating up and down. A smile flickered across his face. There was the slightest flicker of doubt in his mind. It's like a brief feeling here. So to flicker, to move waveringly, to flutter. The shadows flickered across the wall. Yeah, a flicker of recognition went into his eyes. The flame flickered. Okay, to quiver, to move to and fro, to vibrate or to flutter. Yeah. Um, the leaves flickered in the very light breeze. Okay. Um, I saw a flicker of interest in the student, so I continued with it. Okay. Like a glint or a spark, a sudden shine, or a quick movement backwards and forwards. Yeah. The, yeah, uh, the antenna of the ant were flickering backwards and forwards. Yeah. Okay. Um, the torch flickered on people's faces. It glimmered. Yeah. The flicker of the flames in the fire. He felt a slight flicker of regret, so he wasn't very happy about it. So flicker. Um, how formal is this? I would give this a 5 in formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, there's an old English word flisseran or flickeren, meaning to flutter, to move. And okay, it's linked to a Dutch word flickeren, to flicker, or Low German flickern, to light up or to flash. Okay, and it's clearly linked to the word flick. Yeah. Okay, so to flicker, the light flickered. His eyelid flickered. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flicker.